What's up guys, today we have Samsung Note 3, no power and stuck at logo, and sometimes opening the downloading mode. We have hard reset the device and software the device with no luck. As you can see, the device just showing one charging and then nothing. Black screen, another charger and still not working. I'm going to check the battery voltage, it's 4. So there is power, so the device can turn on without any problem. Need to open the device and check if we can fix this problem. Remove all screws from the device. You can use your heat gun at 2 degrees Celsius to heat the glass so you can remove the frame from the screen. Okay, it's out. Remove home button, flex cable, and then remove antenna. Now I'm going to remove the charging port flex cable to check if there is circuit making the phone not working, and then I'm going to test. Put the battery in, power on the device, and see if this will work or not. The logo flashing and then goes to downloading mode. So we have a problem. Remove the board from the frame. There is 2 flex cable for the screen. It's under the board, so easy while you are remove the board. First, we are going to clean the IMCC. Then dry it with heat gun. Then remove all shields protecting the ICs. After that, we are going to clean it with alcohol. After this, we will test the device. After cleaning, we are going to put the device in and test. Okay, power it on. Okay, Galaxy Note 4, the device now power on. Because the device has been software and hard reset, so it will take too long time to operate. We can just let it go for a few minutes. Okay, the device now is working. Now you need to activate the device, and that's it. The device now boot up perfectly. There is no sign of any damage. Now you just need to put all the pieces back and all the shields as it was. This may be a temporary fix. Now you are going to put all pieces back where it is, and that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to support me by subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.